What's up, everybody? We are back with a new series called Restart, right? Today, we restart, right? We restart our lives today. So here we go. Right now, I don't know if you're in a funk. I don't know what you're feeling, but this week, today, we are going to restart everything. Our mindset, our motivation, our thinking, what we do, our daily routine. It's going to start today. And this is phase one. All right. So again, my name's Craig Wissler, guys. If you're new to the channel, I just started this YouTube channel. Go ahead and click the link below. Click the subscribe button because we are going to change your mindset. We're going to change what you're doing. We're going to get you to hitting your goals. We're going to motivate you. We're going to get you everything you want by following a game plan, of following a routine. So here's what we're going to do today. We're starting new. So what does that mean? Guys, all the time I hear, I'm at rock bottom. How do I restart and get going? I don't feel the motivation. I don't feel the power. Why restart? All it takes is just a little bit of momentum, right? Just a little bit of freaking momentum, and we're going to get that. So today, just today, actually before I even get started, let's envision this, right? Let's envision this. Envision a big old rock sitting at the top of a hill, right? It's sitting at the top of a hill, boop, right at the edge. It's just sitting there. It's dormant. It's dead weight. There's no motivation. There's nothing. It's just a dead rock. It's useless. And maybe you feel like that sometimes, right? Maybe you're at rock bottom and you just feel useless. But today, guys, listen, what happens with that rock, right? If you can just push that rock just an inch, right? It's just barely hanging over that cliff, just sitting there dead weight. But if you could push it just a little bit, what happens? It starts tumbling, right? It starts tumbling down this hill. Boom, 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 boom. And it becomes powerful. It becomes so powerful, it becomes dangerous. That rock is dangerous. Just like you could become dangerous with what you're capable of. You don't realize what you're capable of. You can have anything you want in this world. Just like this rock, right? This rock, it starts tumbling, right? Boom, boom, boom. It's gaining momentum. It's getting so much speed, so much force. Everything gets out of its way. Nothing can stop this rock. Why? Because it got just a little bit of momentum. And that's all it takes. I remember, man, just looking at my gym every day. I took about a month off, right? And I looked at that gym every day after that month. I was like, I've lost everything, man. I don't want to go back in that gym. I don't want to go back and see where I'm at. But the day I just went in there and just got a crappy workout in, that was my momentum, just a little bit. And guess what happened? My body, those things start coming. Man, I want more. Just like that rock, I started catching a little bit of steam. And boom, you couldn't keep me out of that gym. I couldn't wait to get back. So again, today, guys, today, it starts today. Forget everything that's happened in the past. It's gone, it's over. But today, we start brand new. This week, today, not tomorrow, today. We're looking to gain a little bit of momentum. So here's our goal, right? Here's today's mission. Right now, I have this weight vest on. In this weight vest, it's empty. There's nothing to it. I want you to envision you have to wear this weight vest around every single solitary day, right? And I'm talking to you athletes out there. I'm talking to the average daily Joe, the worker, everybody. No matter what you're in, what profession, you have to wear this weight vest around underneath your clothes every day. I want you to envision this, not really, just envision it. So what happens with decisions, right? We're going to talk about decisions today. That's today's message, is decisions, because so many times people make the wrong decisions and it kills them. So here's the deal. Every time you make a wrong decision, I'm going to talk to my athletes out there. And what is a wrong decision, right? A wrong decision is not to eat right, not to put the right foods into your body because you know what you need to be fueling your body with to go out and perform. You know, on Saturday, Sunday, Friday, whatever day you're playing, you got to eat right. You got to make sure you're taking care of your body. Not go out party the night, 2 nights, 3 nights before, the week before the game. You got to make the right decision and make sure you're taking care of your body to get ready to get in there and bust somebody up. Another bad decision, not going to class. Right? Not staying in for curfew, hanging with the wrong crowd, right? Those are for my athletes out there, right? Every time you make that bad decision, right? Every time, let me grab my weight. Every time you make a bad decision like that, right? It doesn't matter. It could be 3 months before your first game, 5 months, 6 months. It doesn't matter. One bad decision, what happens? The result. I want you to think about this, guys. You got to think about this. This 5-pound weight is going to get strapped up right inside there. Boom. And what happens is with decisions, you can't work this weight off. This weight stays with you. It doesn't matter if your bad decision was 3 months ago, 2 months ago, 1 month ago. You got to show up on the court, at the game. You got to show up on the field, whatever you're playing, on the diamond, anywhere, wearing this extra weight. So let's pretend, right? Take me back. Hold on. If you make 5 bad decisions, right? 5. Nobody even caught you. Not even nobody. Maybe you didn't study, maybe you didn't take care of your body. You broke curfew, you went out, whatever. Nobody caught you, no harm, no foul. That's not true, because let me tell you something. There's people out there right now. You're going to be competing. You want to be the CEO. You want to be the professional. You want to set records. You want to go play professionally. You might be professionally right now. You want to be the best of the best. Right now, you're competing, you don't even realize it, against people from all over the United States, people from all over the world. They want what you have. They want to be the champ. They want to set records. They want the scholarship. They want to play professionally. They're doing the right thing. Somebody out there right now is doing the right thing. So as soon as you do a bad decision, you add the extra weight. You got to show up to the game, right? You got to show up to that game and play that game with all this extra weight on, right? So you may have already lost the game based off of your decisions. You may be way more talented, but you made a couple wrong decisions and you're carrying around this extra weight trying to play a game. Even though you're better, they still get you. You're still gonna lose. And you can't let that happen. You can't let that happen. So here's the deal. For my workers out there, same exact concept, right? You might be showing up to work late. Bad decision. You wanted to sleep in a couple extra minutes. You wanted to hit that snooze button, and it's got, you don't get the promotion. Bad decisions, right? Right now, you gotta carry around this 5-pound weight of a bad decision every single solitary day. So think about it. Think about somebody that's made all the bad decisions in the world. I can tell you right now, they're carrying around 30, 50 pounds a year of weight. Guess what? They're probably stressed out. They're probably not successful. They probably don't even have a goal, right? They're just sitting back like, life stinks. Ditch that. I don't care right now if you've made every bad decision in the world. Today, you start with an empty weight vest. You got nothing on you, right? It's just completely empty. It's your opportunity to make the right decisions. So today, just come on, guys. Today, just get with me. Today, we got to make the right decisions. We got to get that momentum. And let it start like this, right? Let it just start with the food choices you make tonight, right? Go ahead and eat the right thing, the right stuff. Skip takeout tonight. Go out and prepare yourself a good, healthy meal to give you the energy you need for tomorrow, right? Something that small. Get to work on time. Go to bed tonight when you need to go to bed. And just think, every time you make a bad decision, you got to add a weight, man. You got to add a weight, and you can't let that happen. I hope you guys get that, man. That is such an important message. But today, man, let's go. Just remember, start new. Forget all the past. Forget about it. It's done. It's over with. Whatever bad decisions are in the past, today you worry about just today. So guys, that's my message today. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the link below. I'm going to be coming back with you with another message called effort. That's going to be our day 2. Effort, effort, effort. And I'm going to show you what effort's all about. Till next time, all in, baby.